back to the channel. If you enjoy me unboxing useless items from my storage unit, you've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Nick. This box is one of the final boxes I had when I moved out of my shop 18 years ago. Here are the items. PR means prep room. That was one of the rooms I had in my shop. Let's go. Let's open up. So that's what I had in the box. I've got an external enclosure here. That looks pretty much brand new. That pretty much looks like a brand new enclosure there. We have another enclosure. FireWire and USB. Looks pretty much new, but feels like there's a hard drive in there. I'll have to test that out. Some sort of empty enclosure case I had here. Probably tested out hard drives, etc. There's a cable for 2 IDE drives, 1 power supply, 2 power connectors, all connected to these 2 FireWire ports. So that's a handy little case. I think I would have just kept that for testing purposes. There's a lot of floppy stickers there. We used to sell a lot of floppy disks, or we used to make up floppy disks, etc. And we've got 2 PowerBook 100 series. One PowerBook 145B. In reasonable condition. Battery's still there. The battery's still there, but I can't get it out. Which means, oh no, it's probably corroded or gone all rusted and it's fused itself in there. And one PowerBook 180, which looks to be in reasonable condition, but I pulled the battery out of this one, so that was smart. 2 PowerBooks, all I need is 2 AC adapters. I wonder where I can get some of those from. When I moved out of my shop 18 years ago, I had this box is one of the final boxes that I had in my This box is one of the final boxes I had when I was unboxing